guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dom, and if you haven't been here before, I have a 2004 Nissan 350z. And today, we are gonna be putting on a wiper delete that I got from Z1 Motorsports. This is a Z-Spec wiper delete, and I got it in the silver color, so it should match the paint pretty well. Hopefully this is gonna be a pretty easy installation. I have seen other people do it, and it doesn't seem that bad. My biggest concern is taking off all the panels and taking off everything that's covering the wiper motor itself. Taking out the motor is gonna be super simple, and then putting in the delete simple. It's just taking off all these panels without breaking any of the clips. So I'm gonna start by using the same panel removal tool that I linked in my previous video. I'll go ahead and link them in this video as well. I got these from Amazon for pretty cheap, and they're great and work really well. I'm gonna start by removing this panel right here. I did remove the rear brake light just because I didn't like the way it looked under the tint. Okay, and then there's three 10mm bolts, one right there, right here, and then the last one's right over here. Then there's also a clip that you'll have to undo as well. There's also going to be a cover right here that will expose a 12mm nut. You're just going to go ahead and take this cover off using a tool or a flathead, whatever you have. So mine was already loose from when they did my tint, so I'm just going to use a socket and then unscrew it. Then the kit comes with a bottom side and then a top side that's flat. Then it does come with two different bolts, a small one and then an extended one as well. So put your flat top on the top and then the bottom part on the bottom. All right, now that I got everything cleaned off, I'm gonna go ahead and take all these panels and put them right back on. So let's get all these panels back on. And that's what it looks like on top. It looks way cleaner than before. I hated that rear windshield wiper, and I'm so happy to get rid of it. All right, guys, and that's it. Definitely check out the link in the description below to Z1 Motorsports. They're a great company, and I get a lot of my mods from them. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Also come back next week for another 350 or Jeep video, and I'll see you in the next one.